Your mother still alive or she dead?
Mother still alive.
Blood clot, the Janko still alive. Your mother still alive or she dead?
Mother still alive.
Blood clot, the Janko still alive.
Yo, LLO is a dog poo, you know, man. This man is a dog poo. We don't know where they get him from. I remember King of Apanka. Maroon 5. Can't nanny have the Maroon relative this year. They say about a Maroon 5. Rockstar business.
The critics.
Yo, where my Andrews there? You remember him? No, the performance are different. And a police woman too, you know. This man is easy to go and say with the police lady. That's why we don't see him again. They lock him up.
Yo, peanut and steam fish, we must beat some. You think me a drink my color root wine for them? Any girl wants a triple, press my button. Where we say we must go? Peanut and steam fish, we must beat some. You think me a drink my color root wine for them? Any girl wants a triple, press my button. Where we say we must go?
Yo, where my Andrews there? You remember him? No, the performance are different. And a police woman too, you know. This man is easy to go and say with the police lady. That's why we don't see him again. They lock him up.
Fox. Anything bad 23 I get a picnic. Get rid of them post work.
What's up, your mama?
Send them blood clot go Iraq and Vietnam go fight war.
Listen, leave people alone. Gents, don't follow him and go have kids when you're not financially stable. There's no reason for you to rush to have picnic because you reached 23. Wait until you're financially stable. Even if that means wait until you're 40. Ladies, no bet no boy rush and put no picnic in you before then put a ring on your finger. Yes.
Don't want to be friends with money anymore. Because I realize whenever time me and money leave out the house, money don't come back home with me.
Money is a evil bitch. Money is a piece of poo. A true man. Check your pocket, it gone. Money coming like us on this loyal girl. And man too.
My girl, let me tell you this. You saw me I work so blood clot hard. If me not shove me hood in your crotches or in your mouth, you can't get $1 for me bumbo clot. But send money and some hood me want send in your mouth and in your hole. Go sit down for me, then you get money, girl. But the don't know. You don't know run, but you don't want money. Go look rock. Company site. A site where they can carry to a bucket. Lazy pussy hole, girl, you know.
I want to midnight. A broad daylight. And midnight dark as FUCK. It was midnight that said this.
Since you not here, I'm not interested in my woman. Me I go make me woman make you no come for the pussy. And when you no blood clot come, we deal with no execution style pussy. Cause no found no make pussy make you no go strain and no found no lose no life. See like a blood clot pussy, you know, nah here steering on no blood clot lane.
Hey,
Hey, how you? You look mean a little bit. I ain't gonna.
I look
Where you
mean.
from?
I'm from Houston. I'm
Houston?
Jamaican though.
Oh,
What's wrong?
because y'all be mad all the time.
Oh no, I'm happy. Happy
Okay,
over
go
here.
right, yeah.
Okay.
That's the first happy Jamaican woman I see. They be so happy.
Yeah, they'll go for nothing.
They be mad as hell. I don't know why.
As a Jamaican man who've exclusively dated Jamaican women, except for 2 times, y'all always be mad. For no reason. Lies. The reason y'all always mad is because y'all always cheating. And I always think that people are cheat pound too.
Suspect not a friend, I'm pussy, I'm over here.
What man? How you fuck if you do that, man? You.
Brother, I shoot. Yeah, suspect, me suspect you know you.
Suspect need to run straight to the gym. Suspect need to run straight to the bathroom, go brush him mouth and get rid of the vagina breath we have. Suspect need to run, go in the closet, go put on shirt. Suspect need to run to Montego Bay, go collect back his money from the girl them where my pay fee.